What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Exec Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to chart your Chinese supplier on 1688. But before we get to the practical started, guys, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. And also, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you everything you need to understand to become a self-importer, that is an importation you can do without using any agent, you become a procurement agent as well. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link from 1688 1688 Tahoba or Pindodo, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. I can procure your link and deliver your goods to anywhere in the world. So let's get to the practical started. So guys, there are many ways by which you can chart your supplier on 1688. But one of the things you need to understand is the fact that without 1688 app, you cannot chart your supplier. That is the first thing you need to understand. That is, you must install 1688 app on your phone, either on Android phone or iPhone. Just make sure that you get it installed and have access to the app. Once you do that, then you can be able to explore whatever you want to do in the app. So let's see how the thing goes. So as you can see from the screen right here, I'm going to access my 1688 app right here. So when I click on it, it's going to open up this way. So when the app open up, I can scroll down and look for any supplier I want to chat with. Okay. Now let's say, for instance, I'm interested to chat with this factory. Sorry for interruption. Let's say I'm interested to chat up this factory. So you have to click on the product link. Now, when you click on the product link, it's going to open up like this. And the next thing you need to do to chat up the supplier is to click on this blue icon. Okay. I'm going to click on it right now. So it's going to open up the chat box. This is where we can chat with our supplier. Now, one of the reasons why you need to chat up your supplier is that when you communicate with your supplier, you have the opportunity to know more detail about the product. That's one. Another advantages of chatting with your supplier is the fact that you are eligible to negotiate the price with them, which simply means that this 5-point stop which simply means that this 5.90 RMB, you can still beat down the price when you chat up with the supplier. So these are the major reasons why you need to chat up the supplier. Now, for you to chat the supplier, there are two ways by which you can chat with supplier. The first way is using English language. The second way is using Chinese language. Now, you need to understand the fact that not all these Chinese people understand English language. So now, you as the buyer, it is your responsibility to know different way by which you can chat them up, so that in a possible way they can understand. Now, for you to chat them up in English language, just tap on here, just like when you want to chat. So when you tap on here, keyboard is going to pump up. Then you can type hello. Now, this is just a normal English language, okay? Now, if you want to chat them up in Chinese character, that is, instead of chatting them with English language, you need to install a Microsoft Swift keyboard, right? So when you install Microsoft Swift keyboard, that is only when you can chat them up in Chinese character, which simply make it easy for you to type in English language and automatically convert to Chinese character. So I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft Swift keyboard chatting the supplier. But if you have not yet download and install Microsoft Swift keyboard, kindly go to your Google Play Store, download the app, install it on your phone, then you are good to go. So, but I have already installed it on my phone, so I'll just show you guys how you can use it. So you need to tap on here from your keyboard. So we tap on there. You need to tap on this character at the center of this. So you can see loading language. So which simply means that if I type, So which simply means that if I type in English language, it will automatically convert. Let me rerun it back. So if I type hello in English language, it will automatically convert to Chinese character. You can see at the top here. You can see it here. Okay. Now, another way if you don't know how to use this Microsoft Swift keyboard, alternative way for you is to use Google Translator. So all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store, download Google Translator. Here is my Google Translator. Then I'm going to click on it and show you guys how to use it to type in Chinese character and send it to your supplier on 1688. Okay. Now you can see you need to set your Google Translator here to be English language to Chinese character. You can see it there. So English language to, so from English language to Chinese language. So you need to simplify it in that way. Now I'm going to type now. So you have to tap on here to type. Then you type hello. So it will automatically convert to Chinese character. Then click on here. It will convert it. So here you click on here to copy what you type. So copy. Now translation as copy. Then go back to your 1688 app. And so I'm going to delete this one. Then click and hold down. Choose paste. Then you are good to go. So these are the various ways by which you can chat your supplier up on 1688 app. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, click on the like. And lastly, but not the least, if you have any further question as far as the tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.